Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to download and install MySQL in Windows. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. First open your Chrome browser and type mysql.com. After typing in, click on enter button. Now you can see download sections. Click on downloads. After clicking on downloads, move your cursor downwards, sir. Click on MySQL community download. After that, you can see here MySQL installer for Windows. Click on it. Now you can see here version and operating system. The latest version is 8.0.34 and you can see here Windows into 86 32-bit. It can also supports for 64-bit. So simply download it. Yeah, I don't want to log in and sign up, so I will just ignore it. No thanks. Just start my download. Okay, it's installing. After that, click on custom and click on next. Next, you can see here addition button. Click on it. Again click on it. Again click on it. Then select MySQL server. Then you can see here arrow bar. Click on it. After that, go to applications. Click on MySQL Workbench. Then click on Workbench 8.0. Then again click on arrow mark. Similarly, MySQL shell 8.0 and click on arrow mark. Now you click on next. After that, click on execute. Yeah, wait for some times. Yeah, after that, click on next. Then click on next. Yeah, don't no need to change type and networking. Simply click on next. After that, we need to set a password. Okay, so click on next. Yeah, you need to set down password. Yeah, after setting a password, click on next button. Yeah, now click on next. Again click on next. Execute. You need to wait for this. After that, click on finish. Then click on next. Again click on finish. Finally, we installed MySQL, and thank you guys for watching my video. Bye bye.